With Palette AI, we can restore these priceless memories in minutes, saving hours of manual work.
This is the AI Restore Damaged Photos tool by Palette AI. As you can see, it takes heavily faded and scratched images and restores them.
After scanning, just upload to Palette AI. As you can see with this slider, the AI restores it instantly. You get professional quality results without any advanced editing skills.
All right, team, look at this mess. 5 seconds on the clock. What is it?
A wedding photo.
Boom! Look at that restoration, instantly done by Palette AI.
The efficiency of this AI technology allows us to preserve thousands of historical photographs at a fraction of the traditional cost.
Rescuing these memories seemed impossible. But thanks to Palette AI, we can recover what was lost.
As severely damaged vintage portraits are restored with impossible clarity. Experience the power of Palette AI.
I can't believe it. It's like looking at the original again.
It's perfect. This means so much to them.
Our deep learning algorithm analyzes imperfections, identifying cracks and stains.
After scanning, we use Palette AI to dramatically accelerate the restoration. This allows for incredibly fast turnaround times and ensures client satisfaction.
As you can see, the manual process is painstaking, but with Palette AI, the image is restored in seconds. The damage seems irreversible, yet advanced AI allows us to reconstruct these faded faces.
Check out this insane photo recovery. This was cracked and faded, but Palette AI restored it instantly.
Oh my gosh, look at that!
By using Palette AI, we can restore these fragile memories instantly, saving hours of prep time and bringing our heritage to life. Our advanced AI restoration solution seamlessly repairs even the most severely damaged historical photographs. AI transforms damaged memories into lasting treasures, preserving your family history for generations.
By integrating Palette AI, we've saved countless editing hours, significantly increasing our productivity and preserving these priceless memories.
The speed here is incredible. It automatically detects and repairs everything from creases to missing areas. Look at that quality.
After scanning your photo, simply upload it here. Palette AI restores the damage instantly. Then just click Export for your high-resolution file. Bring cherished memories back to life. Fast, professional photo restoration for families and institutions.
AI Restore Damaged Photos transforms impossible restoration projects into completed masterpieces within minutes.
Palette AI has revolutionized how we protect cultural heritage. It drastically cuts down on the manual labor, allowing us to restore thousands of images more efficiently.
Disasters can take so much, but they don't have to take our past. See how AI is restoring these irreplaceable family moments, saving countless hours of work.
Look at how torn this corner is.
I know, but look at it now. It's beautiful.
Using advanced neural networks, Palette AI precisely detects and analyzes damage, then reconstructs patients. By integrating Palette AI directly into our workflow, we streamline the entire restoration process. The AI Look at her dress. It's beautiful. Yes, that was your great-grandmother.
This is why AI restoration is a game changer. It drastically cuts down on editing time, allowing us to complete more client projects while maintaining outstanding quality.
Using Palette AI, the team can now restore history faster. We're protecting these records for future generations.
It is absolutely incredible how simple Palette AI makes restoring these cherished family memories.
These photos are so delicate, the color completely washed out.
It's incredible how the AI brings them back to life, cutting down our time significantly. See how the colors reveal the original vibrancy of the market. Wow, it looks brand new. I can actually recognize the building.
The emulsion loss here is significant. We'd normally have to discard this one.
Let's see what the AI can do with the texture reconstruction.
AI doesn't just restore the past. It saves time and preserves the memories that matter most.
It dramatically reduces our editing time, improving workflow efficiency and safeguarding these priceless historical memories.
Look at that, good as new.
Thank you, Dad. These mean everything to me.
Testing Palette AI's damaged photo restore, and the results are incredible. The speed and realism of this AI photo restoration are unmatched.
Torn family photos can be heartbreaking, but restoring them is easier than you think. Palette AI repairs everything automatically, giving you professional results in seconds. Time may fade memories, but it doesn't have to erase them. Restore damaged photos and bring cherished moments back to life with Palette AI.
Look at how damaged this is, but watch the transformation. Palette AI delivers professional quality restoration in minutes, dramatically improving your productivity.
By integrating Palette AI, we've revolutionized our workflow. It reduces the manual effort significantly,
With Palette AI, damaged memories are restored with exceptional quality and outstanding efficiency. Rediscover the past.
Wait, look at that, it fixed the tear.
I can't believe it, it's perfect. That must have taken hours.
Not with Palette AI, Grandpa, it was instant.
Palette AI intelligently reconstructs damaged photographs. Our AI analyzes cracks and missing data.
Plebes. By integrating Palette AI directly into our workflow, we dramatically reduce turnaround times. This allows us to process—
Mr. Das, you did it.
These are beautiful. I remember this day. Thank you so much.
As you can see in this time-lapse, manual restoration takes hours of meticulous work, while Palette AI finishes the job in seconds with superior
Technology, Palette AI, allows us to restore these fragile historical records exponentially faster than any traditional method.
Palette AI has dramatically accelerated our production schedule. It truly enhances the visual storytelling for the documentary.
AI photo restoration not only enhances our local history project, it also saves valuable time for both students and teachers. We thought this history was lost forever. The detail it recovers is absolutely stunning. It changes how we preserve memories. Thank you for doing this. It means everything. I just wanted everyone to see her smile again.
If you need to restore old photos, this new AI Restore Damaged Photos feature from Palette AI is incredibly fast and the quality is stunning.
This AI tool eliminates complicated editing and saves valuable time, allowing you to restore your treasured memories effortlessly.
Look at this transformation. The AI restoration process is It handles water damage, tears, and burns.
AI photo restoration has dramatically reduced our workload. We're increasing productivity and protecting our cultural heritage far more efficiently.
Thanks to Palette AI, these precious moments, once thought lost forever, are now beautifully restored. Witness the future of photo restoration. Palette AI reconstructs damaged memories with exceptional efficiency, delivering flawless professional results every time.
Look at that! The colors are back! It looks amazing!
Who is she, Grandma?
That's my mother! It's beautiful!
Our AI reconstructs severely damaged photographs by first identifying cracks, stains, and missing data.
Palette AI accelerates our turnaround times, boosting customer satisfaction and allowing us to complete significantly more restoration projects.
Welcome to the Ultimate Photo Restoration Challenge. We pitted a manual expert against Palette AI to see who handles severe damage better.
We thought these memories were lost forever. The fire took so much, but getting these photos back it means everything to us. Wow, look at this before and after! The AI restored this damaged photo in seconds! You have to try Palette AI.
We thought we'd lose this sequence due to the damage. The AI reconstructed it in seconds.
The historical detail is perfectly preserved. This AI technology allows us to restore these precious memories in real time, saving countless hours of manual work.
Remarkable. The restoration quality is exceptional, making this a truly trusted solution for the archives. Preserve life's most valuable moments. Restore your damaged photos with Palette AI and bring your priceless memories back to life with just a few clicks.